You see how much room there is there? That was Laura's idea. She decided to do that because that's where they installed the dedicated circuit right there. And then when she doesn't use this, she just reaches back in there and unplugs it. Okay, so looking back here, see that's where the 3 screws are there. There's one there, and one down there. Obviously with the Allen wrench. And you probably wanted to see that panel. We'll show you the panel over here. See, she left just as much room on this side, and it was fine because she still had plenty of room in this bedroom to still do other things in this room. See, that's where that other panel is. This is the cord right here. That's the main cord. It's just like a heavy-duty extension cord, and then that plugs into your wall. But you got to make sure you're on a dedicated circuit. You can't just plug that in to one of your house plugs and call it good. Make sure you don't do anything like that.
There you go.
Alright, I know you like to see me do things. I'm going to undo this bulb here. Here you go, Laura. And I'm going to see if I can't unscrew this. And sure enough, this glass, well, it seems to be on threads, but I don't know. Is it on threads or not?
I don't remember.
Oh, there's a nut up here. I don't know if I want to mess with it.
Just leave it.
There's a big plastic nut that went up there and tightened up this here. And I think I'm going to leave it for the sake of argument. And I'm just going to have to be careful with this. It looks like whoever installed this, there's a big gap on the back side. Oh, because they got the cords. There was a cord up there, and they don't have this tight to the wall. Well, okay, in any case, I'll just have to be careful with that when we carry it out to the storage. Now, where's my Allen wrench at? Okay, are you ready for this next bit? I'm gonna undo these screws yet, and then we'll show you what happens next. Never a dull moment around here. Okay, we're ready for the next step. I've got everything loose. Okay, now Laura, I just want you to hang on to this panel, because once I loosen this up, it's gonna want to swivel.
So get behind it?
No, just stay right there and just kind of hold it, okay? And I'm gonna take this one apart. Smile pretty for the camera.
No.
Okay, see this one's swiveling. Now, just hang on to yours. Don't do anything
Okay.
to yours, okay? Because I'm just gonna work with this one panel first, and I'm gonna try to swivel it off about like that. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Now we've got just this panel, and we can carry this out now. I'm going to have you go that way. I'm going to try not to step on this.
Ah, you're on the stuff.
I'm on that block. Okay, I just want you to swivel it around, because I think it's
Good on this?
Yeah, okay, go ahead. Okay, watch the ceiling fan, because we got the ceiling fan on, remember?
Yeah,
Okay, we're going to keep swiveling it your way.
We're going to have one encounter the same thing.
Yeah, okay, stop for a second. I'm trying not to get my feet on this thing. Okay, watch the ceiling fan. Okay, just keep it over this way. Okay, lift it. We're gonna just get it off the floor. Okay. What? Okay, now we can kind of. You good with this? We're gonna lift it right on the seat there. Okay, lift it. Okay. Get your grubby big feet out of the way. Okay. Lean it right there. Now we've got to be careful as we're walking out the door. We got this glass. We've got to make sure not to mess with that. Looks like we'll just have to be careful with that. Okay, hang on to this, and I'm going to turn the camera off. Okay?
Okay, I got it.
Got it?
I got it.
Okay. Wow, this is going pretty good. You see there? All we got left is this one panel. Okay, Laura, come on over there. And I'm gonna have you go straight out behind because I'm gonna try not to step on this. I think my feet are fine, but I don't want to leave any marks, any questionable marks. I could have worn my tennis shoes. Let's say this one's a little bit lighter.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay, swivel over. Yeah, there you go. Okay, put it on the carpet pad. Okay. Beauty. Now, hang on to it. You got it?
Yes.
Take it out through the door. Now this bottom might be slightly heavier than the top, but hardly. Okay? And that's all there's going to be to it. We lift this up here. Ah! Lift with your legs. Ooh,
Where's that?
that's my cash.
Well, how did I know that?
You weren't supposed to.
Well, there, I don't know.
Yeah, see,
Yeah.
this is going to be, you know, a little bit heavier, not bad. I had a hiding point in here. You didn't see that, did you? That was just something I dropped. Okay. All right. Hey, out the door we go with this. And that's going to be it.
Here we go out the door.
It couldn't be that heavy, Laura. Come on, we can do this. Let's do it. Come on. You're not sweating that much. You could be on video for a couple minutes. My word. Look at that. We've done it by Joe.
By Joe.